Hey guys, it's Agatha here with 360 Booth Expert. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a countdown in your screen. So first thing first, we're going to click up here. We're going to click on screens. Go ahead and choose on the desired screen that you'd like to use. So I'm going to pick anything, but go ahead and select the one that you want to use. I'm going to use this for now. And this is right here is the actual command. So the easy way to do this is just clicking here on add text. You could see down here, add text, and you could type in %countdown %. Okay, that's one way of doing it, but if you forget, you could also do this. You see right here, it says insert special text. You can select it, and it gives you all the options. So the text, it gives you the countdown, it gives you the start, the ready, which is like the 3, 2, 1, or get ready before. It even has the end text, which will give you like the instructions after the last photo is taken. So if you ever forget these commands, if you just click on it, it'll throw it in. And as you can see, all it is %, and then whatever the name is, %. So that's how you successfully add the countdown inside. So let me just finish this. Countdown, and whatever size that you create, whatever color it is, that's the size and the color that it will be. And the same thing for font. So see, here it is. So if I technically leave both of them there, they will both show up there.